Hey, Deb here with Fix It with Deb, and today we're talking about water shutoff. We're going to go over how to shut off the water to all your sinks in your house and to your toilets. And this can be helpful because if something starts to leak, you're going to want to shut the water off so that you don't flood your entire house. So stick around and we'll get right to it. All right, so here we are at the sink. Now, like I said before, why would you need to know how to shut the water off to the sink itself? Well, maybe your faucet's leaking. Maybe the handle's leaking. Maybe you just don't like the faucet anymore and you want to replace it. So what's the first thing you need to do? Well, the first thing you need to do is shut the water off. So we look under the sink. All right, now we're under the sink and we have two shut-off valves. One to the right, which is the cold water, and one to the left, which is the hot water. So, in order to turn them off, we're going to turn it all the way to the left until it doesn't turn anymore. Now, don't force it, don't overdo this, because you can break it, and then you're going to have to replace this whole thing. So, just a good tip. Then, to turn it back on, you're going to go back to the right. And that's it. All right, well, that was it for the sink. Now let's look at the toilet. Okay, maybe not from here, because, yeah, that brings up some bad memories for all of us, I would imagine. So, the shutoff for the toilet is right behind it. And there it is. Same thing. Rinse and repeat. Left to turn it off, right to turn it back on. And that's all you need to know. And here we are in the kitchen. Maybe not the most modern kitchen, but still a kitchen sink. Now, what we're looking for is underneath the sink, just like in the bathroom. Except under the kitchen sink, it's a contest to see who can get as many cleaning products underneath here as possible. Now, in this particular sink, they moved the water line, the cold line, from here to right here. But other than that, it's the same. You're going to turn it to the left to turn it off. You're going to turn it to the right to turn it on. And that is just how easy it is to turn off the water. All right, that's how you turn the water off to your sinks into your toilet. Now, if you have a leak in your shower or your bathtub, you're going to want to shut the water off to your entire house. But I'll have a future episode on how to do that. So, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Until next time, take care, and we'll see you then.